Hey, what's up guys? My name is Jake and today we have a very interesting little video on this Jsox wall charger. This thing stood out to me because it can output 45 watts to fully charge the Steam Deck, but it also has an HDMI port as well as a USB-A port and can function as a full dock. It can do up to 4K 60 out of the HDMI port, and it is a fully functioning pass-through USB-A port with data, so you can connect controllers and external drives and whatever else you want to connect. To me, this thing is the ultimate dock if you care the most about portability. All right, so before we get into the full review, I just want to say thank you to Jsox for sponsoring this video. I took on this sponsorship because Jsox allowed and encouraged me to give my full, honest opinions and feedback with no input from them. I said, all right, that's cool. Let's do it. Jsox is a brand that makes a lot of accessories for the Steam Deck, and they are most known for their Steam Deck dock, which competes against Valve's official dock at a cheaper price. They do have some other cool stuff for the Steam Deck, like a dock that has an M.2 SSD slot, and they're taking pre-orders for a modular case that can accept attachments on the back for a battery, an SSD, and more. So thank you again to Jsox for sponsoring this video. So I felt like this charger dock was made exactly for someone like me. Half the year I'm off traveling every other week for baseball, and I'm always looking for ways to consolidate my travel accessories. I really like that the wall plug can fold into the device itself, and it fits perfectly in the back of your Steam Deck case. So it comes packaged in this box, and it comes with the that, but it comes with a 3.3 foot long USB-C to USB-C cable and the wall plug dock itself. So the dock has a USB-C port that can output 45 watts, which is perfect for the Steam Deck, and it also has a 5 watt USB-A port, which is actually a lot more important than you might think. So if you have other retro consoles, like for me, I have this Miu Mini, and these things really don't like to be plugged into just any old random USB-C port. You know, you think you see USB port, okay, I can plug this into anything, right? Well, you actually can't, unfortunately. So it requires a specific 5 volt, 1 amp charger, which would normally be like one of those cell phone bricks that you have, but this one's got that built in, which is actually really nice, so you don't have to carry a separate brick just to charge up this guy. Because if you tried to just plug it into the 45 watt one, it's not gonna work. So I've been using this dock for a few weeks now, and I haven't had any issues at all. Here I have my Steam Deck sitting on my desk, hooked up to my monitor with a controller plugged in as well. I'm able to set my monitor to its max settings of 1440p at 144 Hz, and the controller worked instantly with no pairing required. So as far as pricing goes, right now this is on sale for $40, but I did see this heavily discounted over the holidays. I don't remember what the exact price was, but keep your eyes peeled. If this is something that you are interested in, definitely keep your eyes peeled and watching to see if there are any other discounts. Now, I don't think that honestly $40 is out of the range of what you should be considering for what this is. To be honest, there's really just not many devices out there that do what this does. The all-in-one package, charger, dock, super portable, very slim package. Yeah, it's just gonna be a hard thing to find out there. You can obviously get a USB-C dongle for pretty cheap, but then you got to worry about the dongle. Oh my gosh, where is it? Did I lose it? I forgot it. But if you're traveling all the time, this could definitely be a good investment for you, going from hotel to hotel. Plug your Steam Deck into the TV, relax, play some video games. You can do it all on this thing. Now, if you're looking at this dock and saying, all right, this thing's pretty cool, you know, I like it a lot, I could really use something like this, but the price just isn't there for me. First off, I would make sure, check on the current sales that are going on, because this thing I have seen definitely discounted further than the $40, which is nice. But secondly, Jsox actually has a different product that caught my eye when I was looking at everything is actually a little tiny USB-C to HDMI dongle, but it does have a USB-C power pass-through, so you can connect to HDMI and charge using the same dongle. It's super tiny, very portable, and it's pretty dang cheap. It definitely has its drawbacks. One, you're missing out on the USB-A port. You know, if you need to use a controller that you just want to plug in, don't have to worry about pairing anything, or you have another retro console that you need to charge up, you're missing out on that port. And obviously we fall back to, oh my gosh, where's my dongle? I lost it. And then by the time you buy another one, you know, we're talking a price pretty comparable to this guy. But I definitely think that is also a great product for a good price and could fit into, honestly, a lot of people's everyday carries, even just as a backup to keep around in case you need to plug that thing into a monitor, TV, or whatever. But again, overall, I really like this thing. Thank you to Jsox for sponsoring this video again. Had a lot of fun making it, testing this thing out. It's a great little device, and I think you guys would like it a lot. That's all I got for today. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Peace.